So I got a brand new box of PLA I want to try out. I've never used this filament before. This is the Tianse PLA. It is blue. About the cheapest filament I could find on Amazon that had decent reviews. I think I paid $25 plus shipping. So we're going to give it a try and see how it prints out. We're going to use our trusty little Tronxy X1, see how it does. This is the standard packaging. It's pretty nice. It comes in a good box. And when you open it up, it actually has a bag and some absorball in it. So we'll pull this out. Very nice looking spool. It gives you a baseline temperature. It does not smell like any other PLA I've ever had. That doesn't mean anything. So we'll get it on the Tron and see how it does. One great thing about the Tronxy X1 is it actually heats up extremely fast. And it's very easy to test new filament on. We're going to give this Tianse PLA Blue a try. See how it does. We're printing a bearing housing. I've been printing for about an hour and I've had no problems at all. The filament has been nicely wound. It has not broken. The odor coming off of it is not typical of PLA, but it's not unpleasant. I'm not sure what it is, what it smells like. Most of my PLA smells kind of like sugar cookies. This stuff, I don't know, it has a sugar smell to it, but a little bit different blend. Anyway, it's not bad at all. Okay, so here it is off the Tron build plate, and like I said, a lot of this you're seeing is support material, but the print, the quality is fabulous. This came out really, really nice. Let me clean it up and I'll take some more pictures. There is some printer issues. That's not, I can't blame the PLA for that. I need to turn up my extrusion rate a little bit in my slicer app, but let me clean this up. So here's the part cleaned up a little bit. I need to do some more on it. The tabs that you are seeing and the ridges are from my support material settings, which are not right. The actual layer adhesion is fantastic and the finish is great. Don't blame the PLA for the printer. I'm pretty happy with this stuff. And now granted, the printer needs some more setting adjustments and this needs more cleanup, but the print is fantastic. I am unable to crush this part, and that came out great. The top, again, this is printer settings. I need to up my extrusion rate, and I didn't even measure this filament, so I probably should do that. Here's a couple obelisks I printed using the same PLA. And these are ones that I like to use as calibration prints. And I want to remind you guys that I'm not using a cooling fan with this Tronxy X1 yet. I will be soon. And this stuff is printing great for a budget PLA. Very, very happy with it so far. Well, I haven't got all the support material off, and I can hardly blame the material for the problems that the Tron X1 or the Tronxy X1 has. This PLA is printing absolutely beautifully on a very, very cheap printer. So let me finish cleaning this up. Okay, well, the printer has some issues that need to be adjusted in settings. With support filament, and it sticks really well, but this is a quick cleanup and I am ecstatic with the quality. Again, the PLA is great, the printer still needs work, but the PLA is just great. So this Tianse, I would say go ahead and buy. This is a value. So I just want to point out that I'm not getting any incentive for using this. I bought it off of Amazon. I know nothing about the company. Nobody's paying me to use this product. Nobody gave it to me for free. And it is printing spectacularly well. So if you have any comments or questions, please put it in the section below, and please like and subscribe this video. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.